Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. So we're going to check out this used toy hauler, this little Catalina. You know, small little toy hauler. So if you're looking for a little toy hauler, this might be the one. Here we are inside this little Catalina 19TH. So this little guy actually has a patio deck. The ramp that falls down makes it a patio. You got a little couch here that makes it into a little bed. It's, you know, this is perfect for like ATVs or motorcycles. So small, little, lightweight. You've got refrigerator, freezer. You've got stereo, DVD player, TV. You got a microwave, oven, cooktop, nice double sink. You got a little nice big bathroom, some storage for helmets, AC. You got LED lights. It's got like a corner bed in the front, but it's a lot of storage for a small little unit. Like I said, if you're needing something lightweight and small, this is kind of pretty cool. Outside, it's double axle. You got electric awning, power tongue jack. These are manual crank downs on the back, but perfect little toy hauler for just something, you know, for like I said, ATVs or motorcycles, or just, you know, just a rough little camper to go out in the woods with. This is perfect. Dewy.McDonald here. So remember this little Catalina, you know, if you're looking for other bigger toy haulers, I do fifth wheel toy haulers, I do travel trailers, fifth wheels, campers, truck campers, you name it. We do everything here at Guaranty RV. If you need something, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.